Hello, 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 my beautiful besties. Excuse my face. I was trying out some stuff that I got, and then I got a big blackhead right there. I tried to pop and it won't come out. Anyway, I placed an order on the Flip app, and I ordered a few things, but one thing came in yesterday. It was the Kosas Revealer Super Creamy Brightening Concealer. This does have hyaluronic acid in it and like fruit oils and stuff. I think the only problem is I got the wrong shade, but I don't like the way that it's sitting under my eyes either. Like, it's too noticeable. I got the 1.5C light with pink undertones, and I think it's the wrong shade for one. But this is a cute little mini. See? It's like super tiny. But I'll probably give this to my sister or my niece. Not a fan of that. And I'm disappointed because I thought I would be. Anywho, other than that, also got a package from the TikTok shop. I got some of these little MagSafe circles to put on some of my cases that are not MagSafe, because I have this little vacuum thing that I put my phone on, and I got this new one today. Now, I know you guys seen the videos on your FYP of the one that I have. Like, sometimes in my videos you can hear it go doo-doo doo-doo or choo-choo choo-choo, like it's sealing itself back up. And this one is the version that they made of that is manual. So the way that you lock it is this right here, where it says on and off. This, when you move it over, locks it to whatever you're suctioning it to. Also, well, it's pink, the other one's black, and it lifts out like this, and you can move it up and down so you get different angles. And the one that I'm using now doesn't do that. The circle just moves. So, I'll do a separate video on this one and link it later. And the best thing, the thing that I am most excited about, I got a package from Made by Mitchell. I told you guys in another video, I've been wanting to try Made by Mitchell for the longest. And look at this, like, even the packaging is the bright yellow. I love it. But this is the ombre edition of the Candy Trip Made by Mitchell blushes. So this is a 16-piece brush set. We have 4 face brushes and 12 eye brushes. Oh wait, cool. So this is like P. Louise's boxes that you have to tear the thing like this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look. This bag really stinks. It smells like really chemically. Look at this box though. Isn't that neat? Oh my god, that smells awful. What is that smell? Anyways, let me show you the color that I got. Here's the little bag that they come in. I love the writing on that, and it is on both sides. This is the color that I got, called Candy Trip. So it's like the super cute light pink and green. And then, oh my god, you guys, even the brushes smell like chemicals. That is crazy. I'm gonna have to let these sit out and like air out. It smells like strong spray paint almost. Anyways, what I was saying, on each brush it says MF5, MF4, and again there's 16 brushes in here. So here's the 4 face brushes, and then there's 12 eye brushes in here. So I got a killer deal on these. And again, like I said, I'll do separate videos linking everything later. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So I got the Made by Mitchell brushes and the MagSafe circles and the little phone stand thing from TikTok Shop, and then the little Kosas concealer was from Flip. So excited about these. I've been wanting these forever. Cannot wait to try them. Anyway, also I got this little Glitz and Glam travel perfume bottle, and you guys should have seen me trying to put perfume in this while ago. It was hilarious, but I did figure it out. I ended up putting my Dossier Ambery Saffron in this, and it sprays amazingly, and then you just twist it back down, and you got your travel perfume. How stinking cute is that? I got this at TJ Maxx for $5.99. And then the watch bands that I got, the metal watch bands, I do love them, but this one specifically, you have to literally take this tool right here, put the watch band in it, and take the little rod thing out to remove the little links so that way it will fit you. So I already took off, let's see, I already took off these two, and I took off this one. So I already took off 3 notches, and it's still too big. So I have to sit down and mess with it later to take off more to be able to wear the metal watch band. The other one was not adjustable, and it was just way too big. The one that looked like the Van Cleef dupe, but this one is gorgeous. I just have to take off some more of the links to where it'll fit me. But, I mean, they were on clearance for $2, so I can't really complain too much about that. But, anyways, that was all of my packages and stuff like that. I did just get another new phone stand with LEDs and, like, a charger that I have in the window of my car, so I'm probably just going to keep this one put up for now. But we did go to the Dollar Tree, and I found some things at the Dollar Tree, so
that may be beyond my ability.
Anyway, so come back for Dollar Tree.